see the set 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to write it subsets. So here number of elements in this set. Suppose it is set B. So number of elements in the set B or n of B. How many elements are there? 4 elements. So number of elements in the set equal to 4. So can you say number of subsets of set B? Number of subsets of set B. So use the formula 2 raised to n. So here n means the number of elements in the given set. Here 4. So 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 16. 16 subsets are possible for the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what are the subsets. So we can start from null set. Okay, null set or empty set. Then with a singleton set. Set to 1, set to 2, set to 3, set to 4. Okay. Now write the set with the 2 elements. 1, 2. So 1, 2 is same as 2, 1. Then 1, 3. 1, 3 same as 3, 1. Now 1, 4. Now next subset is 2, 3. Now 2, 4. And 3, 4. Okay. So we completed set with 2 elements. Now moving to a set with 3 elements. So 1, 2, 3. Listen. 1, 2, 3 same as 1, 3, 2 or 2, 1, 3 or 3, 2, 1. All these sets are same. So 1, 2, 3 or 1, 3, 4. Now 2, 3, 4. So only 3 sets are there with 3 elements. Okay, one more set. 1, 2, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 4. You just go through the sets. Is it repeated or not? Okay, it's no problem. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. And finally, the given set 1, 2, 3, 4. So we completed the subsets. Now I am going to counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, let's see. 16 subsets we noted here. So in this manner we can find the subsets of any given subsets. Now if we put these sets inside a curly bracket. Okay. It's clear? We inserted these subsets inside a curly bracket. Now this become another set. Okay, that is the set of all subsets. Is clear? Set of all subsets. So set of all subsets is known as power set. Okay, set of all subsets is known as power set. Suppose we have a question, write down the power set of a set. So in this case, first we have to write subset and insert all these subsets in braces. It's clear? So we can easily find the subsets. So these are subset, supersets and power set. I hope it's clear to you. To see intervals. Intervals as subset of R. R means real numbers. See, I already given notes. In the notes you can see some letters. Capital R, set of real numbers. Capital N, set of natural numbers. Capital Z, set of integers. All these we discussed. Now we can see the different types of intervals. Mainly there are 3 types: open interval, closed interval, semi-open or semi-closed intervals. So listen, let us take 2 elements or 2 real numbers, A and B. A and B belongs to R. Belongs to means is an element of the set R. Then we can express these 2 elements in these 3 forms, interval forms. So first one is open interval. So we can write these elements in an open interval form as like this. Listen, open interval AB. Now closed interval, we can express it in the form using square bracket. It is a simple bracket and it is square bracket. Now semi-open and semi-closed. Semi-open means one side is open and one side is closed. Okay, one side is open and another side is closed. So here in this open interval we are excluding the extreme points. No need to consider both A and B and the numbers between A and B, because if we draw a real line, let us take the numbers 1 and 2. We can see that in between, we know that in between 1 and 2 infinite numbers are there. So open interval 1, 2 means we are excluding this 1 and 2 and consider the numbers in between 1 and 2. At the same time, in the case of closed interval, take the same element 1 and 2. So closed interval 1, 2 means we have to consider this 1 and also 2 and the numbers lying between 1 and 2. That is the difference